Yes, guys, I just went outside. I'm gonna cut some of my callaloo, man. Nice bundle. Of course, something that I know them and I eat them, but I don't care. They're not that bad this year so far. Not bad. Some nice big ones too. Nice big ones. Look at this. Look at this one. Look at these leaves. Huge. Something always eat the callaloo. But me always try and get it. Cut them, you know, sometimes they're short, sometimes they're long. And it's always good to they say this thing is good for your belly. The seeds. They say the seeds will clean you out. That's what they say. I don't know if it's true. My father used to say that. So I've always left the seeds on, you know. But this is a lot. This is like 2 bundles, I think I would say. Yeah, another big one. Look at this. Huge. Of course something eat up the leaf. But I'm gonna just wash them now in some salt water. I'm not gonna use them right now. I'm gonna wash them in some salt water. Why salt water? Get rid of all the insect or anything with upon them. And then you put in a salt water and then you rinse it off again. Get rid of whatever insect you come up on it. Okay? Big leaves, big leaves. See? And of course the seed. Nice bundle. So I'm gonna wash them. I just want to show you before I wash them, you know, what I found, what I got. And this is like my 4th cutting of callaloo outside. Yeah. And this is, what do they call this one? The big leaf one. I don't remember if it's elephant leaf or whatever it is. I don't know. Anyway, see some of them, the leaf big, man. Also, I should say these are just seed I saved from. These are just from seed saved last year, and I just went out there and sprinkle, you know, and then transplant them. So yeah, nice bundle of callaloo. I would have said I have maybe 2 or 3 bundles here. You know, based on what they're selling, based on how they're selling it. You know, I think they sell it by the pound in the supermarket, in the market, in the not supermarket, but you know, I'm in Georgia in the United States, so you know we buy them by the pound. So anything they pack them in some bags, anything you pick up, that's what it is. Whatever it weighs, you have to pay for it. But the good thing is you don't have too much bone part tonight, you know, because I left that so that it can grow again, and I cut again, so I keep cutting. Yeah. So I put them in the salt water. Now I'm cutting them up and putting them in bag. I might put them in the freezer because I have a lot in the fridge already. I have a couple bundles in the fridge, so I think I'm gonna freeze these.